Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we are going to test an EPS shape molding machine that we exported to Europe, which is the 1200 E-type EPS shape molding machine behind me. Our test is arranged in an EPS foam factory about 5 kilometers away from the EPS machine factory. Due to the limitations of the testing site, we did not arrange a separate EPS silo. The prepared EPS beans, as shown in the video, are stored directly in plastic barrels. The density of the EPS beans used in this test is 28 kilograms per cubic meter. The diameter of the EPS beans is about 2.5 millimeters. Based on our experience, the product density of 40 kg per cubic meter is appropriate for this foam part. This is only our suggestion. The density of the final foam product should be tested by the end customer after sending it to the testing organization as the standard for the final product. Below is the detailed testing process. The video shows the 5th cycle test. A total of 6 cycles were tested this time. Among them, the products produced by the 5th and 6th cycle met expectations. As we mentioned before, the testing site and conditions are limited and cannot fully meet the actual production environment of the customer. During the test, the compressed air, steam, and cooling water were unstable, and the number of EPS beans was also limited. The 1st and 4th molds were deformed to varying degrees when demolding due to the setting of the cooling water parameters, resulting in the final EPS product not getting enough cooling. The 3rd mold was incomplete due to the compressed air parameter setting causing the EPS beans not to fill the EPS mold. But this is the meaning of the test. By adjusting the parameters, the final EPS foam product can achieve the expected effect and tend to be stable in production. The product of this test is the inner insulation layer of the cooler box. Therefore, the test product needs to be combined with the semi-finished cooler box. As shown in the video, the assembly of the cooler box is very simple. We only need to insert the EPS insulation layer between the inner liner and the shell of the cooler box, fasten the buckles on both sides, and the assembly of the product is completed. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.